Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to put two pie charts side by side in iCloud Keynote. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Chrome browser, then open your iCloud Keynote, then create your presentation. Now you can see here are my presentation. Now I put two pie charts side by side in this presentation. At first I have to insert a 2 pie chart. Click this chart option and you can see here are pie chart. Then again go to chart option and press another pie chart. Insert another pie chart. Now select this pie chart, 2 pie chart. To press shift on your keyboard, then go to show or hide from style option. Now you can see here are arrange option. Now I click align drop down menu and align to middle aligned. Now you can see here a group option. Now simply just click this group option. Now click outside of this chart. Now you can see I two pie charts side by side in iCloud Keynote very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.